Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually redeem a product code on EA Games so that you can use your product codes and redeem them in your account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to ea.com. Now inside ea.com you simply log in to the top right of your screen right here. And from there, you open it up again and open the account settings. Now, in the account settings, as you can see, are a load of options. Now, the one we are going to choose is the redeem product code right here. Now, as you can see here, you can redeem a product code from an email address. Let's say you've bought a game and you've found it in your email, or simply from out your box or manual. Now, here you can use the code. And from there press next, and it will allow you to use the product, the DLC, or any in-game content inside your game. Now, if this tutorial has helped you, or if you still got any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.